We'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT girlfriend. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the OpenAI website. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already, so click on sign up and fill in the necessary details like your email and password. Once you're logged in, go to the ChatGPT interface here. You can start by training the model to understand the personality traits and characteristics you want your virtual girlfriend to have. Type in the text box and begin with a brief description of the personality you're envisioning. For instance, you might say, "My girlfriend is kind, supportive, and loves discussing books." Engage with ChatGPT by asking questions and providing feedback on its responses. Remember, the more interactions you have, the more personalized the responses will become. You can even set up scenarios or role-play situations to make the interactions feel more natural. If you want to save these interactions for future use, consider using a text editor or document to copy and paste the conversations. This way, you can track how the personality evolves and refine it over time. As you continue, mix in different topics and interests to keep the conversation dynamic and interesting. It's important to remember that while ChatGPT can simulate a conversation, it's still a program. So manage your expectations accordingly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.